Large amounts of plastic waste are generated every day. However, a large part of this waste is not recovered. The conventional value chain involves many different steps, including labor-intensive selection and transport, leading to elevated costs and losses of the recycled plastic. With RECYCLEAR, we will shorten this value chain by detecting and sorting the plastic at the source, leading to fewer losses and lower costs. We achieve this through the fusion of state-of-the-art optical signatures, artificial intelligence, and data analysis. Recycling centres gather all types of plastic, which is then passed on to the long value chain. Our prototype is currently undergoing testing at a recycling centre within a real-world setting, specifically sorting hard plastic waste. Our solution is already capable of providing sorted plastic streams to facilitate efficient circular material flows. We aim to further streamline and automate this process to enable plastic sorting directly at the source. RECYCLEAR, recovering the future.